Hi, good morning. I'm Elanggovan, Thanggavilo, Chief Information Officer from HiiLSE Dron, HiiLSE Berhad, located in TF U10. Now we are in Education Ministry for the concerns, getting advice to offer HiiLSE Dron Club in schools. Saya mohon anda semua boleh telefon dan hantar email melalui informasi yang tertera di bawah description box. You all can send informations. We advise, we provide all the STEM co-curriculum with drone technology. 6 years old and above to 18 years old students. Murid-murid pelajar yang berumur 6 tahun ke atas sampai umur ke 18, naik 18 ya, boleh belajar kursus-kursus kita. Kita ada kursus seminar, talk show, workshop, bengkel, assemble drone dan sebagainya. Jadi kurikulum kita adalah kurikulum antarabangsa. We have an international standard, HiiLSE Drone STEM and STEAM qualified subjects and syllabus. Thank you very much.